Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Miranda from Watkins. I reached out to a few people recently to find out what kinds of things that you guys would like to know about us, you know, so on and so forth. One thing that really shocked me that I got asked a couple times was, how do I take care of my hair and the twins' hair? Now, the reason that this shocked me is because, one, I really don't do much, and two, I feel like we should do more. I've actually been looking into investing in a diffuser and trying to learn more about hair care. But I guess I will let you all know how this happens. Water, coconut oil, and apple cider vinegar. I am super lazy when it comes to hair care. If you're having issues with your baby balding, you could lay your baby on a satin pillowcase. We're totally doing voiceovers on this part because the babies are wild. Could you leave me a comment? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Love Watkins. Hi, what's up, y'all? As you can see, we are just waking up in the morning, and it's actually been quite a while since I have washed my hair, so it's pretty good timing that this question got asked when it did. I am getting ready to wash and do some stuff with our hair. I'm not about to do anything special. I'm just gonna shampoo it with the Head and Shoulders with tea tree oil, and I'll probably use the Trustmade, the conditioner that I currently have. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a few products. This all goes in after wash. Now, of these products, the most important are, you probably guessed it, the apple cider vinegar and the coconut oil. So I've been talking about nutrition, and although I do put apple cider vinegar and coconut oil in my hair and the girls' hair, we also eat them a lot. Apple cider vinegar does not taste very good unless you use it, you know, the way you would use other vinegar. So like in salad, which is my personal favorite way. However, I just drink it daily. There are tons of benefits to drinking apple cider vinegar. I'm not going to bore you with those details, but the reason why it's so good for your hair is because it balances your pH. And if you have problems with, you know, dry scalp like I do, or Jalen has eczema, for instance, it's good to consume it, and it will, you know, help regulate those things. Coconut oil has a lot of healthy fats, and it just works wonders from the inside out. That's what's really important, guys. You need to take care of you from the inside out. But I am getting ready to wash our hair, jump in the shower, and get ready for the day, because you guys are coming to the farmers market with us to shop for some nutritious ingredients to help benefit your hair and your babies as well. See y'all in a few. Just wanted to give y'all a closer look at my hair before I wash it. As you can see, it's pretty frizzy. You can probably see some of my dandruff that I was telling you guys about. I am not ashamed or embarrassed that I have dandruff. It is what it is. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like, and let me let y'all see what the girl's hair looks like before it gets washed. Spoiler alert, very similar to mine. Gotta kind of get in where I can fit in, y'all.
Baba. 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 Baba.
All right, see, played on, slept on. Okay, so Jalen's hair, after being washed, I actually, for the first time today, used some of my shampoo on her hair and Journey's hair as well, the Head and Shoulders 2-in-1 with tea tree oil. I did not condition her hair because they really hate getting their hair washed and conditioned, and I wanted to eliminate a step. And also I have the restorative conditioner that can be leave-in or rinse out, so I'll just be putting that in their hair today. So while I'm doing this, let's talk about some stuff. And thinking back to when they were younger, we had an issue with cradle cap, and Jalen has eczema. So I mixed olive oil and avocado oil together in a bottle, and I applied that to their hair. I gently massaged it on their head, and I took one of their baby combs and just combed their hair. If you plan on doing this, massage their hair with the oil for about 3 minutes. You will start to see little flakes popping up. And then you can take a baby comb and comb through the hair very lightly. Be careful not to scrape the scalp. You only want to take what is coming up on its own from the massage. After you comb your baby's hair and you get as much as you're going to get out from combing it, make sure to wash it. I repeated the process a few times, and it usually cleared up within a day or so. We did have repeat cases, and again, I would just do the same thing and it would work just fine. Now that they're older, I do the same thing with them that I do with myself. They no longer have the cradle cap issues, but in order to avoid any dry scalp issues, I use the organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. I dilute theirs with some water in a water bottle so that it doesn't burn their scalp. You put it on their scalp and let it sit for about an hour or so, and then wash it out. And then you can proceed to this process. I didn't show that in this video because I do it maybe once a month. But if you guys would like to see a video on how I do that, you know what to do. Go ahead and put it in the comments and I'll make that happen for you. I wash the twins' hair weekly. Occasionally we will go to the beach or the pool and I will wash it after days like that. But for the most part, I wash their hair once a week as I do my own. So I honestly contribute the health of our hair to our nutrition, believe it or not. Water, coconut oil, and apple cider vinegar are some of the most important ingredients in the recipe that is my hair regimen. I did some research and found out some things that we can eat to help our hair grow more healthy and longer. And as it turns out, most of the things are things that I eat every single day. We are at the farmer's market getting a few things for a smoothie for you guys so you can see, a simple smoothie to throw together that you can make on a regular basis to drink and increase the health of your hair. The main takeaway from this video, guys, is take care of yourself from the inside out. Drink water. Drink as much water as you can possibly drink. I shop at Costco a lot, but pretty much everything can be bought on Amazon these days. If you know of a farmer's market, or if you are interested in finding a farmer's market, go for that. Do that. Find some ingredients. Take care of yourself. Eat well. Make smoothies, juices, fruit salads. I'm telling you, I swear it'll make a difference. Use organic products. Cold pressed means that it's in its natural state, as natural as could be in a jar being sold somewhere. Every ingredient in this smoothie will help your hair. If you guys would like to see a video about what each specific fruit or vegetable you see here does for your body and therefore your hair, let me know and I will make that happen for you as well. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, Love Watkins, and I would love to get any feedback from you guys in the comment section. Thank you guys for asking for this video and really putting some pep in my step on getting towards taking care of our hair and being on a better, healthier path.